grab your travel buddy, or if you want to go solo, that's cool too. Either way, exploring Jamaica is always a good idea. The owner of Travel Buddy JA and Jari Carr is on Zoom with us this morning to tell us about this travel company that is geared towards a very special group. Which group is that, Jari?
Women.
Okay, this is a very interesting and novel concept. So let's talk a little bit about Njari before we get into how you started this company. You were born in Clarendon.
Yes,
you came to town in 2007, and you went to UTech. Right. You went to UTech. You studied business admin with a focus on marketing, and then later a master's in gender and development studies.
Right.
Just see the problem. Yes. So,
all right. So, I grew up with a bit of exposure to business administration, to business rather. And when I decided to pursue studies, it was only feasible to do business administration. So I did business administration, launched into entrepreneurship when I left UTech. But I was always passionate about women empowerment and, the upliftment of women and girls. So in the business I was doing before, I would incorporate different discussion sessions and things for women because my market was women. So that business fell through and I was like, what should I do next? I wanted to pursue additional studies. So I looked into women empowerment, and the only thing I could find in Jamaica at the time was gender and development studies. So that's how I pursued gender and development studies.
Okay.
Now,
go ahead. Regarding the business now, you're going to tell me that you always had a love for travel, so you just decided that you would marry the two disciplines?
Right. That's what I was going to next. Always been exploring on my own or with company, and persons would be like, can you carry me with you? Can you carry me with you? So when COVID hit, as with a lot of entrepreneurs in this time, I was like, what should I do next? So I was like, why not make this into a business and focus on my area of passion, which is women and women empowerment. So I wanted to create a safe space for women who wanted to explore, but may not have the company or the transportation to explore.
I see, said the blind man. So your own love for travel took you all over Jamaica or all over the world?
All over Jamaica.
Okay. All right. So here you go now. You say, well, this can work. Don't have an idea. So you create Travel Buddy JA, which is really a company that provides
company and transportation for women to explore Jamaica.
For women only. Gentlemen, no, not for you. For women only. And you do open and private trips for small groups of 4 persons or less.
Right. So solo traveler or small intimate groups.
So tell me a little bit about what the feedback was when you, first of all, you use social media, don't you, to get it out there?
Right.
And then what was the feedback coming in?
I was very nervous at first, but the feedback has been remarkable. From the get-go, from inception, persons kept rolling in. I love this idea. Thank you for providing this space. And it has been growing. I've seen improvement. So the feedback has been lovely.
Oh, lovely. And so you've had a lot of people who've actually been interested.
Right.
And is it just a local market, or have you been servicing folks from outside Jamaica as well?
I've been servicing folks from outside Jamaica as well.
Oh, pretty good stuff. Hence the growth that you speak of.
Right.
Okay, so tell me how it works now. I call you up, I say, look, or I message you, I say, Njari, I want to go to, do you have a set number of locations? Tell me how it works.
All right, so for the private trips, someone will hit me up and say, hey, I'd like to do an adventure. I have no idea what to do. Don't worry about it. I'll take care of all of the logistics. I'll suggest places. I'll have a conversation with you to see your likes and your desires, what you want to experience. Then I'd suggest some places, look at the budget that you're working with, and we see what can work. We assign a day for the adventure, and then we head out and have fun. I pick you up, carry you to the different locations, carry you back home.
You do all of that yourself?
Yeah.
So you're the booker, administrator, driver?
Yeah. When you start
tour guide.
Come back to Washer.
Girl, can I get a high five? I have a bit of an understanding of how that goes. So Jamaica trips only, Blue Hole Negril, Falling Edge above Hermitage Dam, Blue Lagoon, Monkey Island, Pelican Bar, Appleton Estate Tour, Rick's Cafe, Wise Falls. Are you just doing one-day tours now, or are you doing like weekends or weeks or?
Persons have booked 2-day tours. Persons have booked stayovers. So it's all dependent on what the client wants.
Okay. So if yes, go ahead.
I want to make a differentiation between the private adventures and the open trips.
Okay.
So because the private adventures are a little bit more, because they're private adventures, the budget has to be bigger. So I know that not a lot of persons may be able to access the private adventures like the younger market. So I try to have open trips, at least 3 or 4 per month. And how that works is you just book a seat. So I would create the adventure and advertise it, and you just pay for a seat on the adventure, and we roll out on the day.
Okay, so you're with 4 people. You may not necessarily know who those 4 people are. Right. Okay, so it's also a way to meet new people. So I can just say to you, Njari, I want to go to country. I want somewhere where there's crisp, beautiful beach, a nice pool, no lizards. And you will say, all right, Simone, I got you. We are not going to Portland. We're going to XYZ.
I love that you say that, because a lot of persons, the go-to is Portland, and we're underestimating. Like, St. Elizabeth is beautiful. St. Anne is lovely. Like, we're underestimating the other parishes. So I love the opportunity to, expose persons to different places. And also, it's not only adventure and water. If you want a culinary experience, it can be a culinary experience. If you want a cultural experience, it can be a cultural experience. It's all dependent on what you want.
Okay. I'm sure the other places are beautiful. As long as there is no lizards, I'm good. I don't know if you got that footnote. No lizards. Cultural experience is Dahlia. But I don't think there's anywhere where there's a cultural experience that she hasn't been. Maybe that would be a tough one for you. And Jari, if there are people watching this morning who want to take advantage of your service, how do they do that?
Well, they can find me on Instagram at TravelBuddyJA. They can send an email at travelbuddyja@gmail.com, or they can reach me at 876-472-0524.
Fantastic. This is great. Love how you were able to do this during COVID-19. Very innovative spirit. There you go on IG at TravelBuddyJA. Hit her up and create your own private trip or your own open private adventure or open trip. Thank you very much, Njari, for speaking with us this morning. All the best with your business.
Thank you.
Okay. Owner of Travel Buddy JA, Njari Carr. We have more on Smile. Stay with us, please. We'll be right back.